Take a look around. If love isn't what you see here, maybe I just wasn't clear. Mud on the ground, of fallen leaves of autumn time, seasons pass when you were mine. Hard to fall, though you were the sunshine queen. Didn't matter where we'd be, left to crawl through the halls of silent trees. I wanna know, tell me please. Oh, where do we go? What have we sown? My, how we've grown. Spring sent us home. Drifting too far, time will pass as we move on. Words become another song. Told you too late, as winter comes to kill the green. Silent snow is still the sea. What do I mean? Known each other for so long, I'm surprised I could be wrong. What do you see? Your love was never meant for me, but now it's time to set you free. Whoa, where do I show for this life I own? Whoa, my how I've grown. Spring sent me home. Still marching through the cold, learning to survive, not how to thrive. You were never mine, but now I see you're living just fine.
Is it the same progression?
It's the same chord.